Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by everyone grad 10. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Tokyoplast International Limited. Tokyoplast is the ticker name and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart. These are all the candles. Each candle here represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators and the respective graphs generated by the stock to do the technical analysis. Now if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, it is very clear that the stock since 2010, we are clearly seeing that the stock had been in the sideways movement, and after that, since July 2013 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. And fortunately, this stock entered into positive supertrend phase in December 2013 onwards, and that acted as a supporting point to this upward trend, and continuously the stock started moving upward, making new highs. And this is the new high 1, new high 2, 3, 4, 5, and again here this is the last, this is the peak price. Actually in July 2017 the stock reached its peak price. The time it was trading at 167, and now today the stock is trading at 137. Okay, nearly 30 rupees less than its peak price. And you see this green color candle here, small candle. This is November 2017 candle. Okay, and in the since July 2017, the stock went down normally as part of its historical path pattern consolidation phase, and after that again it started moving in the upward direction. But this time it is very slow. It is sluggish. The growth is sluggish. Actually, it is moving at a very slow pace, and making it is not rising as per the expectations. And there is a reason for this. If you see, in the weekly chart, I'm taking you to the weekly chart right now. The stock right now is under the influence of negative super trend mode at this moment. So this is what is stopping the stock in moving upward and following its historical path pattern and making new highs. So as long as the stock will stay in that under the influence of that negative super trend mode in the weekly chart, uh, we feel, we experience this kind of sluggish growth here. Once it comes out of that phase, then again we can expect the stock crossing its peak price, and making new highs and all that sort of stuff. Okay, so this is the problem here right now. This is the problem. What the stock is facing right now, and this is what is dragging the stock right now. So now, coming here into this chart, and this stock has already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. And the relative strength of the stock is average. It is playing above the midpoint and below the 80 line. Directional strength is converging, not good. Stochastics is right now the slow line is on top of the first line, and actually there is a negative trend. But if you look at the tip, it seems that there is going to be a trend reversal. If that happens, then we can expect some sort of positive growth in the price related aspect of the stock. And if you look at the momentum is just playing on top of the baseline, and balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and both are showing that the stock is in bullish zone. And Kopek curve is clearly showing that the stock is in buy zone. But if you look at the tip, it is it is lacking strength, and it is going down actually. So now we are getting different signals, mixed signals for all the guiding points, from all the guiding points of the technical indicators here. So if you see, on top of that, we are seeing that we already saw in the weekly chart of the same stock. There, the stock is reeling under the influence of negative super trend mode. So all these factors are dragging down the stock at this moment, and making the stock break into a sideways moment. So considering all these things, as per what we can decide is, at this moment, as per me, this stock can be considered for a short-term investment, not medium and long-term investment. Okay, so that is the conclusion. the stock can be considered only for short term investment right now, and it cannot be considered for medium or long term investment, because it's once the stock comes out of that negative super trend mode in that weekly chart, immediately it moves up, and that time if you invest, then immediately the investment starts working, and the investment, your investment won't sit idle and immediately start working, and you will start generating profits. So from the, I mean, that is the idea behind telling at this moment that the stock is good for short term investment only. Okay. Okay guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.